That smells good. Just finished baking.
Yes, but it's not for you, which means you're not going to be eating it. So, don't even think about touching it. Beer time. Whoa, man, who left this in here? It's more like cake time. Oh, God, this is gorgeous. Oh, that hair. Oh, wow. What the hell did you do, Mike?
What did I what, Jane?
Is there something wrong with your head? Seriously, is there? You touched my cake. And to top that off, you used your hands, which were probably dirty, and you did it with the intention of pissing me off.
What are you talking about? If I was to eat your stupid cake, I wouldn't put it back in the fridge. If it was any good, I'd save it for later or throw it away if it sucked.
You're a liar, a thief, and a coward for not fessing up. I hate you right now. Oh, I think there are eggs in that cake. There's no way I'll be eating these anytime soon. Ooh, but later on, oh man, these edibles are incredibles. What's this? Babe? Did you put these in the fridge? Did you bake these for me to apologize for eating my cake? How sweet!
Yeah, of course I did. Pretty impressive, huh?
Wait a minute. I know that look.
What?
You're lying.
No.
Yeah, you are. Yes, you are, Mike. You can't cook for shit. I mean, you burnt the pot of water trying to surprise me with spaghetti.
But if you didn't make them and I didn't either, I mean, how the hell did they just poof into the fridge?
Brownies? Brownies! Where did you go, brownies? Why are you eating my brownies? And what the hell is up with the cake? I have an idea. One, two, three, four, five. Holy shit! Oh my god! What the hell? What the hell?
What's going on, honey bunny?
What the hell?
This is some supernatural shit.
You're no help. I have an idea.
Oh, Fridge Almighty, I thank you for the bountiful sugary goods you have graciously bequeathed unto me. Show me the light and bestow upon me a sign of your wisdom. Who is this and what's going on? What's with the brownies and why did you touch my cake? He seems kind of angry. I'm willing to give a sacrifice. The ultimate sacrifice anybody could ever give.
Wow.
Wait. I think I understand. This stuff has to be coming from somewhere. Only one way to find out. Going in.
Ja? Ja! Oh, Ja! You come out of my fridge and bless me with your presence. What is I bidding?
I know who you are. You're the chick that ate our cake. You know how much trouble I got into?
Oh, gracious one! I've angered you yet again. Please forgive me.
Dude, cool it with the jaw crap. My name's Mike, and I think our fridges are... Have you ever seen Stargate?
Yeah, man. The one with the MacGyver on it now.
Yeah, here. Let me show you.
What? What are you doing?
Mike? Why did you put your dirty shoe in the fridge? What sort of game are you playing here, Mike? This was fucking good. Better work.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
What is this place?
Who's that? Whoa!
So what's going on here, Mike?
Jane, this is the chick that ate the cake. I told you I didn't eat it.
Guilty as charged. But I believe I have a solution.
Wait. Why do you have a pre-made cake in your cupboard?
Well, my brother and I, we run a baked goods business.
So is this for us?
Well, yeah, man. I mean, I did eat your cake.